uneventful. Ta-da.
That's how I was hoping that would go.
Yeah, really. She didn't hesitate to come out even.
It doesn't look like she was extremely happy back there.
No, I don't think so.
Oh man. Wow, she's... Look at that mane. She's...
Yeah, I got the best one there.
Did you? I like bays. She's got kind of drafty looking legs, don't you think?
She's from Wyoming and a pretty mane.
Yeah.
What a nice girl. That's a gorgeous mane.
She's got a better mane than most of our horses. How long has she been in their corrals?
I don't know, I'll have to look. They give me good girl. Wow. Learning to give pressure.
Yeah.
We should move that trailer.
She's got a little bump on her, above her right eye.
Doesn't she have a cute face?
Yeah, she's sweet looking. Hi, baby.
Hi, honey.
She looks curious.